This video is going to show you how to make a really quick recipe card on Canva. Alright, so you're going to log on to your Canva account, and then at the top you're just going to type in recipe card and see what comes up. So it's going to give you all different kinds of recipe cards depending on your plan. You're going to have different ones you can choose. You might want to find one that's similar to your branding look already, or you can just totally customize it, whichever one is speaking to you. So I'm just going to choose this first one. I like the way it looks. So here is just a completely customizable template. So, let's say this is for your CSA customers, or maybe you're passing it out at the farmer's market alongside your ingredients. You can just customize, the text to kind of match your branding a little bit better. So I'm just going to change some of this font, and then you would go in and just obviously change all of the other things. So I'm going to go ahead and add our logo. You always want to add your logo when you create these kinds of things so that people remember where it came from. So I'm going to add our logo here in the corner. There we go. And then, so here you would go in here and just change all of the ingredients and the instructions to match the recipe that you would want to include with your products. So I'm just going to type in some random things here so you can see kind of what it would look like. And I'm not going to go through and type in the instructions, but you kind of get the gist of just having a fully customizable template on Canva, which is really nice. Another thing that's nice by adding your logo early is that it will actually grab the colors from your logo so that you can easily change the colors to match your branding, which is really nice. So to add photos of your recipe, you can either upload or you can just find a photo on Canva. I would probably recommend uploading it just of your actual one that you created so that it's consistent for your customer when they create their own. But I'm just going to throw in a little photo here of some salsa, and then you can download it just like you would anything else. I'm going to change the name really fast so that I can find it once I download it. And then you just hit download, and then we're going to wait for it to download. And then once it downloads, you can just find it in your downloads and then print it just like you would anything else. So it's super easy. Canva makes it really nice templates for us to use, so you don't have to worry too much about being creative or anything like that.